Welcome children of class 7. We are in heat chapter. So heat is transferred from one body to another body by three modes of transpiration. Three methods of heat transfers are there. One is conduction, number 2 convection, number 3 radiation. Already discussed with you all in GMeet. Conduction, when I say, the thought comes transfer heat in solids, that is from one part of the solid to the other part. Convection, in which the fluid, the liquid, flows from one part to the other part. There is a flow of heat. When water is being boiled, the bottom is get heated, the upper portion of the liquid also gets heats. The molecules, the water, the fluid moves from one part of the liquid to the other. This is convection. It happens in fluids. Radiation, it happens in vacuum from sun's rays, that is radiation coming to the earth. Heat is transferred from the sun to the earth in vacuum, in air also. Okay, in details, let me show you some clips, photographs. Yeah, children, here the woods are burning. There is a fire there. A saucepan or a container containing liquid is kept above the fire. The fire is burning, the wood is burning, the water is being get heated. The red arrow mark shows the radiation. Conduction, the handle of the saucepan or the that utensil, that is a metal, so metal heat transfer as being possible there due to conduction. And the liquid inside that container or the utensil, it's being heated up, so warm water or the fluid is rising up. This flow of heat in that liquid is convection. This is a very suitable diagram where all the three types of heat transfer can be explained. Radiation from the fire, flames, conduction in the handle, that is metal, solid, convection in the liquid. Very nicely explained. Yes. Now let me show the definition of conduction very nicely. This is conduction. Let me define. Conduction is heat flow through solids without any visible movements. We cannot visualize any movements there. It is due to temperature difference. Yes, of course, solid substance से less solid हीटेड टेम्परेचर में फ्लो करता है. टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस होना चाहिए सॉलिड में, हॉट से कोल्ड तक. हीट फ्लो फ्रॉम हाई टेम्परेचर रीजन टू लोअर टेम्परेचर रीजन. दिस इज हाउ द मॉलिक्यूल्स फ्लो फ्रॉम वन एंड टू द अदर. Okay, let me explain now convection. Convection definition: the process by which heat is transferred by the movement of a heated fluid, that is gas or liquid. Example, steam rises from a pot of boiling water. Just now we have seen the diagram there. This is convection. It happens in fluid. Let me show you radiation now. This is radiation, the earth. You can see the earth in the space. The sun is glowing. It is giving radiations in the form of heat, light. The arrow marks in the yellow, that is radiation coming from the sun to the earth. This is radiation. It happens in vacuum as well as in presence of air also. Here there is vacuum because space, it is vacuum. Radiation. Let me define the thing. What is radiation? Question. Definition: radiation is the transfer of energy from a vacuum in the form of waves. Okay, sun's radiations, candle giving radiations, bulb giving radiations, the fire gives radiation. All these are three forms of heat transfer. Okay, conduction, convection, radiation. You need to note down in your notebook, neat and clean. Write it. Okay, children. Till then, take care.